Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find all photos and videos that we have on our GoPro Hero 13. So in order to find recorded videos or photos that we have taken, we need to swipe from the bottom towards the top like so. And now we can check everything that we have on our SD card. We can also switch the view to tiles over here in the top left corner. We can tap on these tiles in order to switch to media, and now we have everything that we have on our SD card. We can also tap on this check in the top right corner in order to start selecting whatever we want to remove, and then we can tap this trash icon in the top right corner in order to confirm that we want to delete it. And we can also tap once again in order to select everything, and then we can tap this trash icon in order to remove. Tap the arrow on the left side in order to undo the action and deselect everything. And swipe from the top towards the middle in order to go back to the video or photo mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!